Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Grade 8, welcome to your science lecture. We were studying unit number 11 that was about electricity in action. In electricity in action, in the previous lecture, I have discussed the few sources of electricity by which we can generate the electricity. We have done each and every source in detail. Now today I will continue my lecture from the next topic, that is the problems in generating electricity. What are those problems that are possible while the generation of electricity? So as electricity is a great facility, or you can say it is the blessing of God, that we are living a relaxed life with the help of electricity. Without electricity, the technology, the development of a country is not possible. So, but in spite of these all facilities or advantages, there are also some disadvantages, or you can say some problems that we can face during the generation of electricity. The first problem that we are facing in generating the electricity is due to low rainfall for a long period. Amount of water used for hydropower generation is of great concern. If there is no rainfall for a long period of time, so there will be not enough water for the running of turbines or dams. So we will not be able to generate the electricity with the help of hydropower generation. Second problem is the high cost on construction of dams and non-availability of suitable place for the construction is one of the problem. As dams are used for generating the electricity, but in spite of that, they are, you can say they are too much costly. So one have to need the very much high amount for constructing any dam, and it also takes a lot of time. So the construction of dam is of high cost, and it also take a lot of time. In spite of time and amount, it also requires the availability of suitable place for its construction. So it is also a great problem. Next problem is nuclear power plants are the cheap source of generating electricity. However, these have harmful effects on nearby population and aquatic life due to nuclear radiations and waste. However, nuclear power is very much essential, very much important in our daily life for the generation of electricity. It is one of the cheapest source, but along with its advantage, it has disadvantage that it has many harmful effects at nearby population, to the nearby places at which the nuclear power plants are present. So it has harmful effects to population and also to the aquatic life because they emit the nuclear radiations that are very much harmful. Next problem is steam cycle plants require a great deal of water for cooling. As I have discussed in the previous lecture that for the generation of electricity, in many sources, the steam is playing a very vital and important role. But for the generation of steam, one must have enough water. So it requires very large amount of water. So it's also a problem. So these are some of the problems. We will discuss rest of the problems in the coming lecture. Thank you so very much for listening me. Allah Hafiz.